Good morning friends. In this session we will study the numerical on single plate clutch. Let us have problem. A single plate clutch. This is single plate clutch. Effective on both sides. Effective on both sides means N is equal to 2 is required to transmit 25 kilowatt means P is equal to 25 kilowatt means P is equal to 25 into 10 raised to 3 watt at 3000 rpm means N is equal to 3000 rpm. Determine the outer and inner diameters of frictional surface means D1 and D2. If coefficient of friction is 0.255, mu is equal to 0.255. Ratio of diameters is 1.25 means D1 upon D2 means D1 upon D2 or R1 upon R2 is equal to 1.25 and maximum pressure intensity of pressure P is max is equal to 0.1 Newton per mm or millimeter square. This is the given data. Now this is the list of formulas. P maximum into R2, that is equal to constant. From this we will calculate the value of C. Now from the formula W is equal to 2 pi C in the bracket R1 minus R2, bracket is complete. From this formula we will calculate the value of W, axial thrust. From the formula R is equal to R1 plus R2 upon 2, we will calculate the value of R. Now from the formula torque is equal to N into mu into W into R, where R is mean collar radius. From this we will calculate R2 because we will use this formula because we have to assume the theory of uniform wear. Now from the formula R1 upon R2 is equal to 1.25, from this formula we will calculate R1. From the formula P is equal to omega T, we will calculate the value of torque. Now omega is equal to 2 pi n upon 60 and transferring the values T is equal to 60 P upon 2 pi n, where P is in watt, N is in rpm. Putting the value of power in watt and N in rpm, the value of torque comes out to be 79.6 Newton meter. This is very important step, that is to convert the value of torque from Newton meter to Newton millimeter by multiplying value of torque by 10 raised to 3. This is very important step. Students generally forget to convert this value of torque from Newton meter to Newton millimeter. From the formula P maximum into R2 is equal to C, we calculate the value of C in terms of R2 because R2 is not known. C is equal to 0.1 into R2. From this equation the value of W comes out to be 0.157 R2 square. This is the value of W in terms of R2 because R2 is unknown. Now mean collar diameter R comes out to be 1.125 R2. This is also in terms of R2. Now putting the values of torque, N, mu, W, mean collar diameter, we will calculate the value of R2. The value of R2 comes out to be 96 millimeter. Now multiplying the value of R2 by 2, we will get the D2 diameter, that comes out to be 192 millimeter. Now from this formula R1 upon R2 is equal to 1.25. This ratio is given. Now from this we will calculate the value of R1, that comes out to be 120 millimeter. So multiplying this value by 2, we will get the diameter D1, that comes out to be 240 millimeter. Now the value of W, as the value of R2 is known, we can calculate the value of axial thrust given by the spring, that is W. So W is equal to, from the formula, W is equal to 0.157 R2 square. Putting the value of R2, we will get the value of W axial thrust, that comes out to be 1447 Newton. So this is all about the single plate clutch numerical. Thank you very much. We will meet in next session.